Okay, well, here we are, doing another War of Light display unboxing. Hold on.
This is the first
Yep.
one.
Yep, oh, okay, so, yeah, we're gonna go, okay, that is starting at the front left. Lex is opening more. Yeah, we're just digging right in. Cookie, hey, wanna watch? Yeah? Nub Dog gonna watch the unboxing? Or you just want to sit there and be cute? Yeah. Yeah, she got spayed last week and just got her stitches out today. So, what's that one?
It's a wall.
It's a wall. It is
Walls are
violet.
the best thing to get. I had to say that again in this video.
Yep, they are very good. Yeah, it looks like the violet wall. So, yay, not a repeat. Let's hope I get the Indigo Sniper Rifle, because I actually eBayed the Indigo Sniper Rifle and Bulldozer, but there was a little problem. As you can see, I got the blue Sniper Rifle by mistake, so just waiting on word. Yes, right there. So, and here we have Necron looking on, wishing us well. So, yes, front left, or second from front left. Let's hope we get a black mallet. Oh, and there's an Indigo Bulldozer. Yeah, see, I hadn't planned on buying this second display because the place I had told to hold one for me had forgotten to order them, so I wasn't confident that they'd get them. Then they did. So it was like, well, you know, I did tell you guys to save one for me, so I didn't want to, you know, I didn't want to make sure, or make them, you know, just sitting there holding it. So, yep, go ahead and open that one. Oh, green Bulldozer. Okay, well, I'm sure I'll be able to trade that one. So it's a second green Bulldozer. Yeah, last time I got a lot of sniper rifles. It was 4 sniper rifles, 5 spotlights, and 4 bulldozers. So I wonder if
5 stop signs.
Oh, it's 5 stop signs? Oh, okay.
And spotlights.
Yeah. Yeah, here, let's put the
And speaking of spotlights.
Oh, the black spotlight. Yeah, for as much sense as that makes. Yeah, let's put the cards over here. Yeah, make sure you get those out of the bags.
There. Daddy.
Yep.
I'm putting the black ones in front of this.
Ah. So yeah, there's
Oh, we're already on to... Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's
This one. This one was inked up like that. So do we get this one?
Yep, hold on. We gotta... Yep, let's see. One of these... There's a card missing. Yeah, hey, let's look quick. Missing a card. Shake camera work, missing a card. Okay, camera work can stabilize. We're not missing a card.
Ooh.
No, dear audience, I don't know why I was just saying. Oh, it's a yellow sniper rifle again. Kablingy. That I'm going to be able to trade.
Oh, wait.
So, yeah, I'm confident that I will be getting some dupes in this because of the fact that I didn't, get a contiguous case.
Yay, we got a net.
Oh, it's another violet net. Okay, that's
the exact same net we all asked.
Wow, it's 3 dupes I've gotten so far.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, card. I don't want you to start singing that stupid "We're Missing a Card" song again.
No. And you don't either, do you? No. Hyper dog.
What?
Yeah, ordinarily she's put... What?
Usually, there's a tear strip on each side, but...
Huh.
Wait, actually, there's a tiny one. That works better than the normal ones. And...
What color?
Yellow.
Oh, it's a yellow mallet. Hey.
I don't know why, but for some reason this kind of looks like a yellow gummy bear. The way that it is.
Yeah, it's... Oh, and hey, the head's a little bent.
What?
No, the head's bent a little forward. Yeah, see?
Really?
Show the camera. Yeah, at least I think that's... Well, anyway, moving on, and we have been moving front to back in the center this time.
Oh, yeah, we got another net.
Oh, the white net this time.
Ew, it's sparkly.
Sparkly...
Look, it's sparkly. Look really closely at it.
Yeah, it is a little bit sparkly. I think that's by virtue of it being white translucent plastic, so yeah. Okay.
Fail. And we got an
Orange
Wall.
wall. Okay, well, I hope I'll be able to trade that.
ouch.
Ouch.
Whoop. This one broke and I was trying to get it out.
That's what.
The Craggle is for.
Yes. It's going to meet our friend, Mr. Loctite.
Also known as the Craggle.
Yep. Oh, hold on, viewers. I think I need to clean the lens. This is what happens when you notice things aren't focusing well. There we go. That's better.
This just popped off.
Yep. Let me see.
But I can kind of pop it back in, just to show.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, these things, they're not really held in so much with what you'd call glue as maybe unicorn wishes and fairy dreams. And what we get?
I also thought it was a,
Oh, the indigo axe. Didn't have that one. So now I'm just one item, I'm the indigo net away from having the full set of indigo items. Yep, let's... Oh yeah, we haven't pulled a red one yet. So yeah, let's space these.
No, Daddy, there needs to be a space right there.
Yeah, green, blue, indigo, violet, white, then
Ooh, this
red
one
and
looks
black.
pretty.
Oh, hey, actually, here, let's just...
No.
Yeah, no? Yeah, okay. Oh, hey, you know what?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I didn't break this one really.
Oh, the violet sniper rifle. Okay, that makes, Ooh, I think just the orange and green that I still need.
You got a blue one.
Oh, another blue sniper rifle. Okay.
Not like you didn't already accidentally get one of those.
Yep. And I did pull one in my last pack. Okay, yeah, now we're on the bottom row. We have still got no reds.
That's not bottom.
Oh, no.
Until...
Oh, red wall. Nice.
A red wall. I just realized that we got an orange and a red wall.
I think other than green, now I have all... Like, did I get the... No, I didn't get the black wall last time, did I? No, I didn't. Okay, so yeah, now we're on the bottom.
No, we aren't.
We aren't?
Oh,
Yes, we are. Yeah. You've been pulling from the... That's the... I think the second one?
Oh, the
On the bottom?
stop sign.
The stop sign... Oh, the yellow stop sign. I didn't get that one last time, did I?
Got like one of each stop sign, except for this one.
Okay, no, here,
or
hold...
the red one.
Here, hold this.
No.
No?
No.
No? I want to get something.
Meow.
Yeah. Ugh.
Hurry up so I can get to making the rest of this video, Daddy.
Oh, we're still making the video.
Is it weird that
And, oh, I did get the yellow stop sign. Okay.
the first car or that I saw said red lantern ring on it?
No, because I arranged them that way, so that the ring is always at the back. So yeah, I'm getting a lot of dupes. Well, maybe not a lot, but yeah, so far... Oh, the blue mallet. Okay.
Or the blue mallet.
Oh, hold on. There we go. Sniper rifle. And here's what we've got so far.
This one won't come out, and I'm afraid to break it, so... Oh.
There we go.
Next one. Yay, I finally opened it like that.
Come on. Oh, it's something black.
It's a black wall!
Oh, the black wall. That means that other than green, I now have all the walls.
All the wall.
But come on, black mallet.
Don't break, don't break.
Because, yep, other than the green sniper... Oh, yeah, I've only gotten one green so far.
Wants to be green. But it isn't. It's an orange stop sign.
Which did I get that one before? I did not.
Yay! A stop sign!
So, yeah, I think that means that then the...
Stop sign collection is complete?
Question
mark?
No, I need the black one.
And you got a, no, you got a black stop sign last time.
No, I got a... we got the black bulldozer, I've got the black sniper rifle, and... no, that is it, I think, actually. I don't think I... Yeah, I didn't get much black stuff last time.
Well, and black wall, and stoplight.
Well, yeah, but that's this time.
Wait a minute.
What?
Got another black one.
Black what?
Axe, I think. Is it an axe?
Please let me... Oh, it's the axe. Well, yeah, the axe is good. That's Blades, Claws, Fangs, but I'm hoping for that mallet, because the mallet lets you use Quake. And when you damage a character and you have Steel Energy, which the black ring gives you, then you heal for each character you hit.
You have those in there?
Have what? You want to wear the red ring, don't you?
Yeah, I kind of do. Thank you.
Okay. Well, my little red lantern, what do we have now? Oh, a white axe.
Oh, you got a black axe, and then you got a white axe.
Well, Ebony and Ivory are living together in perfect harmony in my HeroClix War of Light case, or display.
Case, display, whatever.
Well, a case is two displays.
Then we officially almost opened a case.
Yeah, well, we've opened a case worth. What color?
Blue wall.
Blue wall. Oh, another blue wall, okay.
Wait, another one. And...
Okay.
fall.
Whoop, are you making sure to get the cards out?
No. I want to get to making the video.
Okay, we can get the cards out later.
Cookie.
Lazy puppy.
And watch me open
Lazy puppy.
Okay, so. Oh, I said we didn't get a red stop sign, which is the color stop signs are supposed to be. Well, not anymore.
Haha.
Cookie, stop trying to bite my foot.
So, yeah. We now... That actually leaves me with just the black one, then. Because I've got the...
Chew.
Wait, do I have the green? Or no, I still need the green...
Aw, Cookie, you're cute. Ah,
yeah, I still need the green...
Derpy dog.
Yeah, I still need the
Derpy
green
dog.
stop sign and sniper rifle. I've got yellow... Yeah, I've got yellow, blue, indigo. It came with the violet, white, and now red. And orange and yellow. So, wait,
Daddy,
red,
come on. Daddy.
red, orange, yellow.
Green spotlight.
Green spotlight. Ah, those are the same two green constructs I got in my other display. Huh.
Well, there you go. There's a pattern for you, Daddy. Finally found one.
Yeah, well, that could just be coincidence, because there's only 4 of them that you can get in this.
Really?
So that was...
Daddy.
I love your
Orange net.
I love your method. Orange net. Oh, hey, orange net. That's not bad. We've got one more.
Plop.
Rub it on the dog. Rub it on the dog for luck. Where is the dog? Dog? Where did you go, dog?
Cookie! Cookie!
Ah. No,
Cookie!
yeah, she was looking for the dog. Here, you know what? Let's rub it on chili.
Let's rub it on my face.
Okay. Oh, and your
not
mother's
yet,
calling
not
for
yet.
dinner, so yeah, we better just open this one and eat. It's, what is it? White mallet?
Mallet.
Okay, well, yeah, this was not as fruitful as I'd hoped, but with these dupes, I'll be able to trade
Wait,
stuff.
no, Daddy, no.
Oh. Hold, no. Here, like this.
Fail.
Yep. Let's put the ring back in here. Okay, well, thanks for watching. And, yeah, one of the commenters, well, in fact, the so far only commenter on our last unboxing video of these, called these father-daughter unboxing videos, quote, heartwarming. And that's actually kind of touching. So, yeah. Well, it's until next time, which, will be a while, because I don't foresee anything, well, I don't even know what's coming out next for HeroClix, but, yeah, well, it's dinner time, so, thanks for watching, and, good night.
Meow.